saw somebody recently on Instagram, I think it was, saying that these container, the little basket things, presents, are not very good for keeping the plants that are in it. And he deconstructed it and potted on each individual plant. And I'm going to have a go, see if I can do the same, and see if we can rescue these plants. Okay, I'll pause it there and have a look. So I'm not sure how easily these are going to come out of here. I'm just going to, it's got a plastic insert in. Aha! There's the palm. Here's the succulent type plant. I think I used to know the name of this, but I can't remember it anymore. I've got a variegated ivy, which of course has got its roots into everything, and a chrysanthemum. So that was easy to deconstruct, and so I'll get them potted on. Okay, let's make a start with this chrysanthemum. Can see I've shaken some of the soil off, but I don't want to damage the root, so just using general purpose compost, because that's all I have. Some in the bottom. Firm it in. That's one potted on. Get him in the water bath. I need some water in that. Let me just pause you. Okay, that's soaking in the bath. Let's try the ivy next. This seems to be quite straightforward. Oops. Okay. So I just quickly looked on PlantNet for this, and it's called Kalanchoe, or Never Die, so I'm assuming I can't get this one wrong. And last but not least, the palm. Not entirely sure which palm it is, but it's got a duff bit there. Shake off some of this so it has as much fresh as possible. There we go. that's okay. So that gives us 4 little houseplants from a gift that probably would have died. Okay. Regarding the thing I said yesterday about the French marigolds and the African marigolds, Africanized, let's say. Now, I've been reading up on it, about it, and the African marigolds type also confer these qualities of pest control that the French marigolds do. I don't know if they're as good, but they apparently do. The problem I've got is that they're going to be in the way if they grow to be like African size. They'll go to a metre high-ish, and I don't want that. That's going to hinder my way into these tomatoes. If I'd have known that, what I'd be better doing was to put the calendulas at the front, because they're virtually at maximum height now, and they wouldn't be too much of a problem, and then just let these Africanized ones at the back. So, but it's too late, so I'm going to have to manage the situation, and I've already done that by, as you can see, I've been topping them. So I'm going to keep them to about 1 foot high. I can let them grow a bit higher once my tomatoes have reached the top. The bottom part of the stem is going to be bare, so I can let them reach about that stage. So that's my solution for this year. So I've managed to stake the sweet corn that had fallen over, and it doesn't look too bad, no worse for wear really. So as you can see, I've just stuck a tie wrap around it. The pumpkin is doing good. I'm not going to let any buds, there are male flowers, I'm not going to let any buds develop until it's reached at least 10 feet. It's only about 4 feet at the moment. Note to self, deadhead the sweet peas, but remember to keep a few for next year's seed. The lettuce I've sown recently, not bad germination, but much too early to prick out yet.